Welcome to our comparison of two exceptional hair clippers. The GSKY hair clippers, a budget-friendly all-in-one grooming solution, and the TPOB Play Barber hair clippers, a high-performance tool designed for professional barbers. In this video, we will dive into their features, performance, and overall value to help you make an informed decision on which clipper is right for you. Let's get started. The GSKY hair clippers are priced at $109, making them an excellent choice for those looking for a comprehensive grooming kit without breaking the bank. In contrast, the TPOB Play Barber hair clippers come in at a premium price of $249, reflecting their professional-grade features and performance. While the GSKY offers great value, the TPOB is tailored for serious barbers who demand high-quality tools. When it comes to performance, the GSKY hair clippers provide a standard motor speed, suitable for home use and light professional tasks. However, the TPOB Play Barber hair clippers boast a powerful dual-speed motor that reaches up to 7,500 RPM, ensuring efficient cutting through all hair types. This makes the TPOB a superior choice for barbers who require consistent power and precision. The GSKY hair clippers feature standard stainless steel blades, which are washable and suitable for various grooming tasks. On the other hand, the TPOB Play Barber hair clippers utilize advanced XOPLAY blade technology with oil reservoirs for self-lubrication, ensuring smooth operation and less heat buildup during use. This advanced technology not only enhances performance, but also prolongs the lifespan of the blades. In conclusion, the choice between the GSKY hair clippers and the TPOB Play Barber hair clippers ultimately depends on your grooming needs and budget. If you're looking for a versatile and affordable grooming kit, the GSKY is an excellent option. However, if you are a professional barber seeking high performance and precision, the TPOB is worth the investment. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more product comparisons.